Turn your Ford F-150 into a supercharged 650 horsepower beast with the Roush F-150 Supercharger Kit. Roush Performance and Ford Performance have developed this industry-leading calibrated supercharger system, boosting performance to 650 horsepower for the 2018 to the 2020 Ford F-150 5.0-liter V8 engine. The Roush 2.65-liter Phase 1 Calibrated Supercharger Kit is raising the bar for performance and reliability. The highly engineered rotating assembly delivers more power and better fuel economy and provides a long list of benefits including greatly enhanced thermal efficiency, higher operating speeds, a smoother, more efficient flow of air into the engine, and improved noise and vibration characteristics. On top of all that, the installation of a supercharger kit actually increases the resale value of your F-150, and because it is considered an upgrade, you won't be penalized on a lease return. And there's no place better for all of your Roush needs than All American Ford, the #1 Roush dealer in New Jersey. Our Roush trained specialists can easily turn your F-150 into a supercharged beast in the street. So why wait? Visit All American Ford today.